helping you meet tomorrow's challenges today. Successful companies know that employees become more valuable as they gain knowledge and job skills. So good training pays off. It increases productivity, reduces downtime, and instills employee pride not only in their work, but in their company as well. When you need training, you can rely on NUS. Our video-based programs are the definitive system for personnel training. We pioneered video-based training, and after 15 years of experience, we're experts in our field. In becoming the standard, we've provided training for thousands of users. It's not just that we have thousands of users, it's why. At NUS Training Corporation, we blend state-of-the-art training methods with the latest in video equipment and techniques. Through our video-based programs, we bring the job and experience into your facility and send well-trained people back to work. We deliver even the hard-to-see job to the classroom, making our training much more effective. Also, our video programs provide training that can be self-paced or paced to suit the needs of a class. A major benefit of video is consistency. Our programs ensure each trainee is taught exactly the same way as the previous trainees. This kind of consistency is rarely possible with the traditional approach of lectures and textbooks. Our video also features animation and graphics to illustrate the inner workings of components and to present abstract concepts in an easy-to-understand way. Also, our program's technical accuracy is ensured by careful review from training professionals, engineers, operators, and safety personnel. The NUS training system of full-color videotapes, illustrated textbooks, and program guides provide a structured approach to training that is designed to teach in an efficient manner, saving you valuable time and money. Producing quality programs demands quality people. Our staff of over 100 production professionals combines the talents of training specialists, technical experts, video producers, writers, directors, technicians, and graphic artists and animators. By working together at our in-house production facilities, our staff ensures the consistent quality of all our programs. Our library of training programs is only a phone call away. This comprehensive inventory is designed to meet the needs of your workforce. Whether you choose individual parts from a program for specific skills training or use an entire program for comprehensive instruction, you'll know NUS training combines the presentation of theory and principles with demonstrations and hands-on experience so that your trainees understand the material and can apply their knowledge, helping you meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. Our training specialists are available for free consultation on how to best implement the NUS training program for you. Just call or write us after you view the following examples from our programs.
Well, thanks for coming up. I want you to look at something. Seems to be an abnormal trend developing with the number 2 heat exchanger. Over the past couple of hours, I've noticed the temperature differential across that heat exchanger has dropped. The delta T should be 60 degrees, and now it's around 50. Now, I want you to go down and check the level controller. And while you're down there, I want you to check the delta P across the inlet and discharge. It looks like we might have a problem.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. What is it you want me to do?
Come on, I'll show you the diagram for the system and try to explain to you what you need to do.
I'm sure that you don't want this happening all the time in your plant. With a well-trained workforce, it won't. We found that a key element in maintaining production quality while at the same time operating a plant safely and efficiently is training the workforce. Well-trained employees can communicate because they share an understanding of the terminology and dynamics of process operation. In today's world of technically sophisticated process systems, this is more important than ever. Modern chemical plants utilize advanced technology in the operation and control of their systems and processes. This means that now more than ever, a plant's workforce must have a solid understanding of what's going on in these systems. This understanding is essential in avoiding costly inefficiencies and breakdowns. They not only need to know what they're doing, but why they're doing it, and the consequences their actions will have on systems down the line. Employees are assets, assets that increase in value as their skills are improved through effective training. Knowledgeable employees should understand the entire scope of a plant's operation. What happens from the time a raw material is received, goes through various processes, and is converted into a final product. But training involves more than just learning the basic processes in a plant. NUS Training Corporation has designed a program that teaches the terminology, dynamics, and practical aspects of system operations. This program is the Chemical Operations Training Program. The program is a comprehensive, well-balanced blend of concepts and hands-on applications that are vital to developing and improving essential skills, understanding, and the ability to analyze problems before taking corrective actions in operating systems. The training program is divided into 3 sections. Each section represents a step in building a solid foundation for understanding chemical plant operations. The first section of the program, Basic Theory and Systems, is designed to introduce the trainees to the dynamics of process operations and the terminology and language of a plant. The principles of science, chemistry, instrumentation, and control that are fundamental to understanding system operations are also covered. Broadcast quality video presentations teach basic principles with the aid of graphics, computer displays, and animation. The concept of heat transfer is explained through the use of a model, like this one, that's used to show the flow paths of fluids through a heat exchanger. The fundamentals of process chemistry, like those involved in combustion reactions, are taught with the aid of graphics that are clear and easy to read. The role of instrumentation is explained through instruments used in actual systems. The principles of control are demonstrated through the use of a process simulator. The simulator enables the trainees to see how control actions can affect system operations. The second part of the program, Equipment Operations, is designed to teach the types, uses, and operations of specific pieces of process equipment, such as valves, heat exchangers, and pumps and motors. The focus is on equipment design, how the equipment operates, and its role in process systems. For example, the trainees learn how pumps move a fluid through a system, how valves are lined up to regulate flow, and why there are so many different valve designs and applications. The trainees learn operator tasks and responsibilities in system operation by watching step-by-step startup and shutdown procedures conducted by experienced personnel. The trainees get a good understanding of typical procedures and operating considerations designed to protect equipment during a startup or shutdown. The third part of the program, Systems Operations, is a comprehensive treatment of the operation and control of process systems. The trainees see aspects of plant operation, such as those associated with water treatment and reactors. The trainees see what's really happening. For instance, they learn about the equipment and processes involved in breaking down and separating fluid mixtures that will eventually become final products. Chemical processing involves a complex series of unit operations. The program divides these operations into 4 areas: common process systems, diffusion and mass transfer systems, multi-phase contacting and phase distribution systems, and mechanical separation and phase collection systems. This step-by-step treatment ensures that trainees understand the functions and operations of chemical plant equipment and systems, and the trainees' responsibilities associated with each part of the chemical production process. Throughout the program, essential skills are taught and reinforced as the trainees move from an understanding of plant terminology to actual hands-on applications and responsibilities. In addition, basic safety considerations are addressed. The trainees are encouraged to wear proper safety equipment and to follow safety procedures. The Chemical Operations Training Program is an effective means of providing you with a well-trained workforce that avoids costly downtime while ensuring safe and efficient plant operation. An employee who is knowledgeable and confident in his job is an employee who is proud of his work and able to communicate that feeling to others. These employees help you reach your goal of safely achieving maximum productivity in producing quality products. The NUS General Mechanical Maintenance Training Program is designed to train new personnel in the skills they need to become accomplished maintenance personnel and to improve the skills of those already on the job. This flexible program is divided into 53 units covering the areas of general and mechanical maintenance crucial to successful plant operations. Some of the general subject areas covered are plant safety, boiler maintenance, heat exchangers, pumps, piping and valves, and air compressors. Our electrical maintenance training program uses results-oriented training methods to cover the wide field of electrical maintenance. This comprehensive program is designed so that your electrical maintenance personnel can not only acquire new skills, but can also build on the skills they already have. The program consists of individual units in the 6 subject areas of electrical concepts, generators, electrical maintenance practices, motor and motor controllers, cables and conduits, and switchgear and batteries. The Instrumentation and Control Training Program ensures that your I&C technicians develop the skills they need to keep your facility's operations smooth and efficient. In this program, the eyes of our TV cameras capture the reality of in-plant instrumentation and control applications. Successfully used in hundreds of facilities here and abroad, the program ranges from the fundamentals of instrumentation and control to pneumatic systems and equipment to electronic systems and control. The new and emerging technologies of microprocessors and microcomputers are drastically altering the world of industrial control systems. The Microcomputers in Industrial Control Systems program is designed to provide state-of-the-art solutions for state-of-the-art training needs. The Microcomputer series meets this high-paced challenge with 6 program areas, beginning with fundamentals of digital electronics. NUS Training's Power Principles is the most widely used power plant personnel training program in the world. This technically accurate program teaches the fundamental concepts and operating principles necessary for safe and efficient power plant operations. The program is divided into 2 series: Power Plant Basics, which covers the fundamental concepts of power plant operations, and Power Plant Practice, which stresses the practical application of these concepts. NUS Training's Coal Handling program teaches the principles of coal handling operations. The approach used throughout the program describes and demonstrates the safe and effective operation of coal handling equipment. Beginning with an overview of coal handling and industry safety considerations, the program covers the equipment involved in unloading, storing, and transferring coal, as well as controlling coal dust and ash handling. Our transmission and distribution program ranges from electrical theory applicable to T&D systems to the nuts and bolts required to maintain underground and overhead lines, substations, and switchyards. This T&D program is the key to a well-trained staff of competent, confident, safety-conscious T&D personnel. This program is designed to achieve what you need: personnel who understand how T&D systems work and how to use T&D equipment safely and correctly.